The pace of commuters seeking a ride out of the mega city for the New Year's extended weekend celebration proceeds without let-up at the Parañaque Integrated Terminal Exchange, or PITX. Then again, there are enough tickets at the PITX to go by for all bus travelers to the provinces. But then, a number of these departing passengers for the provinces showed up yesterday and stayed to ensure they get a seat inside the bus. Many of these passengers longing for home in the province didn't make it for the Christmas break exodus and are making up for that missed opportunity. The volume of passengers seemed to be similar in size, with so many people stuck in long queues at the ticket counter.
Mahalaga naman yung para sa pamilya kahit wala ako sa Pasko, basta importante makauwi.
Ano ba dito? Nagtatrabaho ka na dito or nagstay ka na dito?
Trabaho para sa mga anak.
Yung mga aso doon, kawawa yung kaya mag-anuhan yung kung saan yung tatakbo pag makarinig ng mga paputok. Pag wala ako doon. Eh, hindi naman kaya ng pamangking ko.
Ano mga pasalubong mo sa pamilya mo ate?
Yung biscuit po. At saka mga damit.